again, those kids here, hindi po napapagod yan kahit hanggang mamayang hapon. Ngayon, susundan lang po natin sila the whole day. Maglalakad po tayo, magtutoy, iikot-ikot. For sure, mapapagod po tayo. Are you ready for that, parents? Sige nga, this time, since ready na sila parents, learners, let us greet all the parents here inside our bus. But, after nyo silang i-greet ng good morning, I want you to give them a power big hug and kiss. At the count of 3, let's say good morning, parents. 1, 2, 3, go! Tulog pa kasi ko po, mami, kung tulog ko ba? Joke lang po. Okay, so yan. Where's the power big hug and kiss? Give them a power big hug and kiss, syempre. Kasi that is how to say thank you. Did you imagine na absent po talaga sila sa mga para lang makasama sa pipit natin today. Alright, so now,
I see the
since naging
sun.
na naman kayo good morning, parents and students.
The sun is so bright.
Good
We
to
wear
po tayo
sunglasses.
sa
My daddy
celebration.
have new
Now,
sunglasses.
parents,
Yeah, well,
we have
and
the
then I
6
see the
rules and
big
regulations.
clouds and
Dapat po
a
namin
big
doon, isang
sun.
S or P.
Look,
Sa standard operating procedure, acronyms po.
Bro, that's a big statue.
Kapag said, 6 lang po ang rules and regulation na po natin. Ito lang po natatandaan natin the whole day. So that is started the SOP number 1. Ang SOP number 1 po natin is always remember our bus number. Ano po yung bus number natin? So, kids and parents, in our bus number, ito po ang pinaka-importante ngayon. Kasi those places that we're going to visit, there's a lot of bus number 2. So, always remember this. Nakalagay po sa bus number natin is Mandala Tours. Okay? Tandaan po ba? Natatandaan na. Madali lang po ba tandaan? And the body number of our bus is 848. Parents, bakit po kailangan natin tandaan yung mga bus number, body number, bus number? Parents, actually, I have an experience before. Meron pong students na ito rin po yung bus na dala namin. Same po. Ang nangyari, napunta po sa ibang school. Sad to say, ang nangyari po dun sa students,